Hi my friends, Sam Villa here. Today I want to share with you a braid that is just easy to do, simple movement with a braid, but it's all about where we're picking up the hair from. We're going to work with a directional blow dry, first beginning with our guts 10 at the base. And we really worked everything in terms of zone 1 at the base, moving back and away from the face. We also layered it with our Redken Pillow Proof Prime. It helps speed up the process of blow drying and adds conditioning benefits. We're going to work with our last product of choice with this particular trick, our Outshine 01, which is anti-frizz polishing cream. It's awesome to work with braiding, as well as Braid 03 from Redken. So let's place a little bit of the Outshine in our hands. Let's emulsify, and then I just take it and just bring it on top. Going to work with a tail comb, and notice we're working with a black tail comb on blonde hair, so we have some contrast. Going to come right up to the center top, and we're going to take a slice, horizontal slice. Once we have that slice, we're going to divide into 3 sections. Now watch the rhythm in terms of how I'm doing this. Right hand's going to palm the section, thumb and index finger, pinch the middle section, middle finger comes up, flips out, and it lays right on top of that middle section, and I move and create an X. Left hand now is free. I palm the left strand, pull to the left, pinch the left X, flip, and then move back into the middle. So it's palm, pinch, flip. You're going to do 2 full rotations. Okay, now once I've done the second rotation, now I'm ready to pinch just at the hairline, just pinch, and then add to the middle. So we are feeding into the middle. And you can see this from a top view, just simply come through at the hairline. So what I want this hair braid to do is we want it to actually just sit on top of the hair. This is a little bit more modern in terms of braiding than visually in terms of how it looks. Rather than taking a slice all the way up to the braid, just come through, pinch at the hairline, and feed into the center. That's why a directional blow dry is so important. All of this hair is just brushed back, coming in, pinching at the hairline. Trying to keep the sections about the same in terms of how much you're pinching at the hairline. Palm, pinch, flip, middle. So when you braid, it's all about establishing rhythm. That's all it is. Taking once again at the hairline and feed to the middle. Tension is critical. Notice when I'm braiding, my knuckles are close to the head. The farther away your hands move away from the head, the looser the braid's going to be. So it's a matter of the end result, the matter of choice. So if you want a looser braid, elevate the braid and you're going to get a very soft, loose braid. If you want it tight, like I want this particular one, notice how I'm really keeping my knuckles and hands close to her head. Continue to pinch just at the hairline. Just at the hairline pinch and bring it up and into the middle. The rhythm continues the same all the way down. Now here's a cool little thing to remember. When it feels like it's getting loose, just go back and just pull, pull, pull on each strand that you have. And that will tend to tighten it up, especially as you start to work down the round of the head. That's critical in terms of how it's going to sit on the head. So just come back and pull on them. Go back to your rhythm and continue to work the rhythm down the hairline. Now, as we continue, you can pause this any place that you want. So we're just going to continue here. And now watch how I've got all that front hair out. Now I just simply come through and continue the braid. And you could continue all the way down. You have the rhythm, you have the concept and the idea of a floating braid in terms of how it works. Now we're simply going to come through. We're going to take an elastic. We're going to place an elastic on the end. And in this particular case, let's work with a clear elastic. Okay, coating that elastic with Outshine 01 to buffer that cuticle. Now look how skinny that ponytail and how big this elastic is. Just simply come through, and as you're working, come through, and I want you to just simply twist the elastic. So that you can see this, let's use a black elastic. So come through. So rather than going in and looping back through and pulling it through and pulling it through, just come through, place it in, and then just simply twist, 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 twist. You'll twist until you see the twist get down to the base of the ponytail. Now simply come through and loop once, and you are done. Once again, just a great way to go in there and add a different type of visual value to a braid. Hope you enjoyed the floating braid. And once again, thanks for watching. At Sam Villa, we appreciate it.